Hello everyone, this short video is to show you the process of setting up a VTEP test and also the clamping diode test on a newly developed ATD file. So to start off, we have our new developed ATD file. I call it the testboard.atd. Together in the directory, I have the BOM file, the log file which was generated during the ATD generation itself, and of course the nails files and the pins files. So with all these 5 files, I would simply load them into the i1000 software. Click on the file menu, open. We'll just path it to the ATD file. Click on open, and the software will do a simple self-checking of the integrity of the ATD file itself. And because this is a new ATD file where there is no settings available inside the file itself, so there is the software actually reports that there is a lot of settings file that is being not found. So this is perfectly fine. Just click close. Okay, so now that the ATD file is loaded, you can see that the ATD file name is being shown on the title bar. At the same time, if you notice in your Windows Explorer, the software actually creates a lot of other folders within your ATD files directory itself. Right, this is the default folders that is being used by the software. Alright, so back onto the i1000 interface. Let's go into the test editor interface, which we will assign our test for VTEP and clamping diode. Just click on the test editor button and get into the test editor interface over here. The test editor interface here shows you all the different types of tests that you have in your ATD file. So you have the resistors, the inductors, so on and so forth. What we're going to do now is to go straight into the IC editor tab over here. IC editor tab. Under the IC editor, you'll see 4 buttons. The IC status, IC pin, IC digital status, and the logic family. For the VTEP assignment and clamping diode assignment, we only need to work with the IC status right now. Under the IC status, you will see a list of the devices being listed inside here. Go to the device that you want to assign VTEP test. Let's take, for example, J134. Under the VTEP column, simply type in a T, which stands for true, and press enter. Once you press enter, the particular cell that is being selected will turn green. Right? Repeat this for the rest of the devices that you want to assign VTEP test to. U101, U102, maybe U103. Okay. Once this is being assigned, the next thing to do is to assign the port numbers to individual VTEP. Alright, this is actually not critical at this point of time because you can actually let your fixture partners assign the VTEP port for you, and once you get the fixture back from the fixture partners, you can just simply fill in the port numbers over here. Right? But for the sake of the demonstrations, let's go in and fill in the VTEP port numbers. I will start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 VTEP probes being assigned to my board right now. That is pretty much all it takes for the VTEP assignment. The next thing to assign is the clamping diode test. For clamping diode test, right, it will be assigned under the column CD. CD stands for clamping diode. And basically, clamping diode test only applies to ICs. Right, so let's scroll down a little bit to get to the rest of the ICs. And again, to assign a clamping diode test is very straightforward. Under the CD column of the respective device, just type in a T and press enter. T and press enter. And there it goes. After this, simply save your ATD file. And you have your VTEP test and your clamping diode test already assigned into your ATD file. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for listening to the Agilent i1000D how-to videos. You may find other i1000D related videos in the Agilent MFG Test Sys YouTube channel. If you'd like to learn more about the i1000D, please call your local Agilent representative or just go to the website at www.agilent.com/find/i1000.